Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. In this video, we are going to be looking at logical operator and logical operator OR. So let's talk about AND first. So basically, what is AND? It is like if the left operand is true, then it will return the right operand. So it's like if I come over here and write console.log true, and then so it will return some value whatever I write inside the right operand. So basically whatever I do inside the right side, it will execute or it will return it. So whether it is some kind of value, whether if you are appending any kind of HTML, then it will do it. And in case if it is false, then it will return false, as you can see. So this is how the logical operator AND works in JavaScript. If we talk about the logical operator OR, so it is like if the left operand is false, then it will return the right operand. Otherwise, it will return left. So if I come over here and write console.log and false is empty, I'm just defining it like this. So as you can see that we are getting is empty, but in case if it is true, then it will return true. So this is how the logical operators and OR works in JavaScript. So this is very useful if you are using React. Then this thing is very useful for conditional rendering, right? Or you can use these things according to your functionality and according to your requirement. So I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.